Electrostatic potential energy 2. Hi. In this video, we are going to find out how we can calculate the electrostatic potential of two charges. From the previous video, we found out about the concept of electrostatic potential energy. If you haven't watched that, make sure to watch that before you watch this. Now let's dive in. Let's say there are two charges, kept at infinity. We bring those two charges from infinity to some point in space. Therefore, the difference in potential energy of the system is UF minus UI. Now, from the previous video we know that this is equal to work done by an external agent in bringing those charges from infinity to that point. Since at infinity, the potential of any charge is equal to 0, therefore, UI is equal to 0. Therefore, UF is equal to work done by an external agent in bringing those charges from infinity to that point. Since we have taken two charges in the system, we can write UF is equal to work done in bringing the first charge plus work done in bringing the second charge. The work done in bringing the first charge is equal to 0. Because there is no charge initially at the final position, so there is no resistance. Now we have to move the second charge from infinity to the final position. Now from the formula of electric potential, we can write work done is equal to the magnitude of the charge, Q2, multiplied by the potential difference between 2 points. Let's say the potential difference between 2 points is equal to Vp minus V infinity. V infinity is 0. And Vp is equal to K into Q1 by R. Putting the value of Vp and V infinity, we get UF is equal to work done by an external agent equal to Q2 into Vp minus V infinity, which is equal to Q2 into KQ1 by R. Therefore, UF is equal to KQ1 Q2 by R. This is the formula for electrostatic potential energy at a point for a particular system of a charge. This theory can also be applied to more than two charges in a system. This is it for today's video. Before leaving, check the exclusive offers, link in the description below. And do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. To find out more on the subject, continue watching the next video.